Hi there, amazing knowledge giver, teacher, trainer, coach, consultant. If you have valuable knowledge to share with the world, and if you believe in yourself, I believe in you. Hi, I'm Vandana Mehrotra. I am your knowledge business strategist. And if you would like to learn how to convert your expertise and experience into a knowledge based business that you can run online from anywhere in the world, right in the comfort of your home with a laptop, a few good digital systems and tools, then you're at the right place. And if you're thinking, how can someone give this free? Well, givers gain. I have lived my life on the philosophy of givers gain, and I want to empower you with transformational content that really matters for your growth, because the world is shifting, world is never going to be the same again, and teachers will be the new leaders, and I see that leader in you. So are you excited to get on this journey and understand what it takes to build your knowledge based business online? Okay, the online ways of doing things, so that you can run this business from anywhere in the world. And hence I also call it the www business model, which is world wide web. There definitely, because we will be using the internet. That's our main that's a spine, that's the spine of our business, right? So very important to do that. But this www in its true sense means whatever, wherever, whenever, without worrying about affordability. This business model empowers you to run your business at the nook and corner of your hometown or somewhere in the world when you're traveling. All you need is a great internet connection, a good camera, and few powerful digital systems and tools. And I'm going to be empowering you across this course on the what, why, and how of the knowledge business, what it takes to digitalization, what are the stages of digitalization, what is monetization, and why it is important to first monetize, so that you are generating some funds, some cash flow, which you can reinvest back into your business. And when you are able to do that successfully, then it's time to scale. And when it's time to scale, it's time to market your business, get the necessary digital systems, the must have digital systems and tools in place, which will empower you to run your business in autopilot mode, which will help you attract strangers into with or right automation. It will help you engage and build relationship again in an automated manner. Okay, and then creating a community of your followers, fans, whoever you have worked with, whoever you have transformed their lives with, because your customers will be your brand ambassadors, your promoters. And this is called the flywheel model, which most of the organizations, MNCs, Facebook, Google, everyone, okay, this era is the era of flywheel model. Well, customer is the focal point of what customers are the focal point of whatever you are doing. Everything revolves around your customers, be it attracting them in the beginning when they are strangers, be it nurturing and engaging them so they become your lead and prospect, and be it delighting them with massive value so your customers become your brand ambassadors. So I'm going to be teaching you what it takes to create this model, the knowledge based business model. And are you excited? I am excited too, but go through each and every video. You will be surprised that who gives so much of valuable content free of cost, but I give because I'm a product of giving. I believe in giving, and that's a law of life, because when you give, you gain. There are exponential returns the law gives you. It's a law of the universe, and I want you to grow in right direction. I'm setting the direction for you. I'll be empowering you with powerful strategies, ideas, hacks, tools. It's up to you how further you want to go ahead in this journey. Apply these learnings for your business growth, and I'll connect with you soon. Till then, keep growing, keep evolving, and welcome to the knowledge digitalization and monetization business model. And as I say, a huge wave of opportunity exists for knowledge givers. It's time to ride this wave. Knowledge givers, apna time aa gaya.